Alright, so in this lecture, we're going to be, doing the same thing we did with the line plots. We'll be adding the text, we'll be adding the color, the ticks. I did do some research for the bar vertical, and most of the examples gave horizontal. You could do something by doing plt.bar and then adding those values. I did use the help function, as you can see, with the plt, and it gave me a list of functions that you can use. I searched for bar, and I got this. So let me just bring it up for you guys. Where is it? Where is my bar? Yeah, I'm not sure where it went, but anyways, I did do some research for that and I couldn't find it out, so just leave it at that. That's fine. Horizontal is fine for now. Anyways, let's go ahead and add some of our data. So first thing first are X label, Y label, and title. Those are quite key. The way I'm going to do this is I will, let me see over here actually. So let's go ahead and add our X label. Let's say we're creating, what do we use bar charts for? Let's say number of, okay, let's say we have 6 students and we're taking the height of each student, okay? So on the X-axis, we'll have height in inches or height in inches, okay? That again will be plt.xlabel. And then plt.ylabel will be something along the lines of students, I guess. Those are our students. Let's go ahead and give each of them a color. So color is equal to red. Color is equal to red. Okay, and then you're gonna say title. So plt.title. The title is going to be height of students in inches. Okay, and the color for this, let's do color equal to, whoops, where's my ending apostrophe? Color equal to, I'm going to say, let's do blue, okay? So we have our X label, Y label, and title. Let's go ahead and get a tick params. So tick params, plt.tick axis is equal to X, comma, colors is equal to white. Okay, let's go ahead and save that, F5. Let's see if it works. Okay, there's that, and all right, so right now, taking a look at this, we have students, that looks good. We have our height in inches that you can't really see, and you have height of students in inches. Cool. So let's go ahead and change a little bit more of the tick params. So plt.tickparams, axis Y. And you'll notice as we continue along in the course that most of the graphs work on a similar basis, that initializing them might be a bit different with the tick params, X, Y labels, titles, stuff like that. They're all the same. So there's nothing new for you guys. Future lectures might be even shorter than this one since it's just repetition. But, we'll cover some other graphs, don't worry. So we got the title, we got the tick params. What's remaining? So I'm sure you know in a bar graph that each bar has a different name. So the thing called Y ticks, our 6 bars, each bar represents a student. So how do we, give these 6 students or these 6 stuff that? Like, we have to give each bar a name. So what we're gonna do is use the function called plt.yticks, and then you can give each one a name. So it takes in 2 parameters, the position and then the name. So I'm gonna create a pos array over here. I'm sorry, no, never mind. It takes plt.yticks takes position, so pos, and then it takes in the name of each one. So since there are 6 values, we have to create 6 students. I'm gonna quickly just call them Avi, whoops, the caps lock, Avi, no. Yeah, okay. So Avi, Joe, Jose, I guess, Bob, Nick, Zelda, and Matt. Okay, So save this, and then let's go ahead and add our name over here. So we have to save this as an array first, my bad. I'm gonna call these names is equal to this, and then plty ticks pos comma names. So save this F5, and now hopefully we're gonna see that our thing appears, our names appear. Yeah, they do, awesome. So now as you can see, we have height of students in inches. We have labeled each of the bars. We have students over here. Height in inches are at the bottom. You definitely could play around with this using the subplot configuration tool. You can maybe expand some, make it go all the way, and reduce the bottom a bit, make it go right a bit more. And in this lecture, let me just quickly show you how we can programmatically set these so that we don't have to do it when the time comes. The way you can do that is by using the function called subplots underscore adjust, and then you're gonna use left is equal to whatever you want. So as you can see, currently we have 0.11, bottom is 0.12. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, 0.11. Bottom is equal to 0.12. Right is equal to, I'm not sure actually, so let me take a look. 0.94, excuse me, 0.94. So save this F5, and now if you see, we're gonna have our graph. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot the PLT over here. It's giving me an error saying that subplots is not defined, obviously, since we haven't initialized PLT. And now if you take a look and hit your adjust, let me just move this up a bit. 1 sec. Accidentally hit the save button. So let me move this up for you guys so you can see. And if I hit this now, it's automatically at 11, 12, 94, whatever we've set. So this is how you can programmatically set your left, bottom, right, etc. to make the graph how you want it to be. End of this lecture, guys, we basically discussed how to change the bar options, how to add the bar names, and programmatically change the adjustments of our graph. Awesome job, and I'll see you in the next lecture.